Here is a geometry problem. A welcome path is made of 6 square mats. The mats are joined together in one straight row. Each mat is 1 meter on every side. We want the perimeter of the whole path. The perimeter is the total distance all the way around the outside. So how long is that boundary? Pause the video and try this first. Here is one hint. Do not add 4 meters for every mat. When 2 mats touch, they share an edge on the inside. Count only the edges on the outside. Take your time. Let us count the outside edges together. Start with one mat alone. It has 4 sides. Each side is 1 meter. So one mat has a perimeter of 4 meters. Now join a second mat beside it. The 2 mats share one inside edge. That shared edge is on the inside, so it is not part of the boundary. Joining a mat hides one of its edges, and one edge of its neighbor. So each new mat adds only 2 meters, not 4. Now look at the whole row. The top has 6 edges. The bottom has 6 edges. That is 12. Then add the 2 short ends. 12 plus 2 is 14. The perimeter is 14 meters. Notice what happened. The inside edges canceled in pairs. Only the outside edges were counted. 6 on top, 6 on the bottom, and 2 ends. That is 2 times 6 plus 2. This is the perimeter is the boundary rule. If you join identical tiles in a row, then count only the outside edges, because each tile you add shares an edge and adds a fixed amount, not its full set of sides. Look for a shape made of joined tiles. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.